The last time that I did DIY lash extensions, I took off all of my eyelashes. I really don't know what I'm doing. Hi bestie, welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing something I'm super scared of, DIY lash extensions. They're lash clusters. They're from the brand You Cool Me on TikTok shop. I'm kind of nervous. Right now I can't even wear mascara. I had lash extensions and they always mess with my eyelashes no matter how many times people are like, you just have to take them off correctly. I'm a picker. Don't tell me that. Mascara just looks weird on me right now, so I ordered these. I love my lash tech and I want to pay her bills, but I also have to pay mine. Super cute, super fun. I am a makeup artist, so I do know how to form clusters, but I've never done it on myself other than the one time I burnt my lashes off. Ooh, coupons. It reads, curl up your natural lashes with an eyelash curler, brush a thin layer of lash bond under your natural lashes, and wait 15 to 30 seconds. I don't know how to count. I'll set a timer. Apply cluster lashes under natural lashes 1 to 2 millimeters away from the eyelid. Seal on both sides of the tweezers, and then, all right, I'll read this again later. That's not right. You see at the top, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with something I'm reading right now? If the product is Borkin, I'm scared. We have lash remover. This is nice. This is such a dupe for, I think it's like the Kiss ones or something. So the bond is waterproof, long lasting, and then the seal locks them in for all day wear. People wear these for like a week. As an esthetician, I'm supposed to tell you that you shouldn't do that. As a YouTuber, I will try anything. Just a girl. This is like so Alibaba coded. I don't know. I mean, I guess like you don't really need that many. I just put the bond on. So we'll start with the 14s. I'm just gonna start on the end. Should I just do it with my finger? Oh my god, is that slay? We'll do 2 14s, 2 12s. I don't actually know what I'm doing. Oh, slay. Okay. They're really wispy and pretty. Let's go in with a 12. Does that like look good? The 12 looks like the same length as the other one. And then let's do a 10. Is that dumb? Let's do a 10. Oh, okay, that actually does look pretty good. Okay, let's do the other eye. It's looking pretty good so far. With this, you have to scoop it off and like get it there because I applied too much. We're already getting better. I'm already pretty much a professional. Put me on TikTok shop. I'm gonna sell this right now. Yeah, I don't like the applicator for the outside, but I guess the inside, it kind of helped me. You have to be very strategic about placement. Like the bands have to overlap slightly or else it's gonna look like, you know? It actually looks really good. Look at her. What's the spoolie for? I'm just gonna going until it doesn't feel sticky. The last step, apply the seal on both sides of the tweezers and squeeze your eyelashes together. I just really don't like how sticky. Overall, like, not terrible. This eyelash definitely looks better than this one. I'm not doing the bottom lashes because I am not that talented. Overall, I want you to get a good look. You cannot see the band whatsoever, which is really nice. They are really stiff and not like fluttery. They are, for the most part, pretty comfy. I will say that. Like, I don't feel bothered by them. They feel like lash extensions. If you've never worn anything on your eyes, it's gonna feel weird. If you're used to wearing falsies or lash extensions, you might actually really enjoy these. Because I just put them on, I can't say whether or not they'll be good with makeup or removing makeup or waterproof or anything like that, but I can definitely, as I'm editing this video, attest to waterproofness and stuff like that. Future Julia, let us know. Future Julia here about a week later. I look like a gopher. They are not waterproof. I was weary about them at first, didn't do too much eye makeup and whatever. There was one day in particular where I did a wing and I wasn't like scrubbing, but the TikTok shop girlies like tug on them. The second that my face hit the water, the lashes were like, in my opinion, they're not waterproof. They did last me a good while. If you're not like an avid makeup wearer and you just wear these and you gently clean them with a Q-tip, they should be fine. I think they're water resistant, but waterproof, that is a statement I cannot agree with. Keep away from children. How old is a child? Does it give like a something and up? The fact that I used 1, 2, 3, 4 for my entire eye, right? I used 4. I used 4 for my entire eye. I have like a particularly smaller eyeball. I don't see myself plowing through this anytime soon if they are long wear. I mean, it's a really cool concept and I do like the idea of being able to just pop these on. As far as like the legitimacy behind that and cleaning them, you have to be very careful. I feel like if you're cleaning these properly, just like you would lash extensions, which I hope you're cleaning lash extensions, then these are an A+ for me. I actually really do like these. Hello? Look at them.
Oh, wow.
You like them?
Yeah, you have like sparkle on the end though.
Sparkle? Well, what do you think?
Looks great.
They look good?
Yeah.
They're brand and improved. Okay, love you. As far as this being the latest TikTok shop, TikTok trend, and craze, I love these so much. I love you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know if you try these. I'm interested to know what other brands are out there that I'd love to try. And if there's any other TikTok trends or TikTok shop things that you want to test the legitimacy of, I'll be your guinea pig. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.